So this is what I like to do on Saturday mornings, is just enjoy my coffee, sit outside. It's pretty warm today, but I've got the shade up, and like I said, I'm gonna sweat, so it don't matter. Right now I'm designing a little project I had an idea one day. We were driving around and I saw a big patio cover with a couple tires laid up against them, and I was like, dang, that thing's on wheels. And then I thought, cool idea. So I'm gonna make a patio cover out here, and so I'm just kind of drawing it up, getting some measurements and stuff, but it's gonna be a pretty cool little thing. And we'll be able to wheel it around the yard over there by the tractor, right over in there. I'll wheel it over there, or if we're working on the trailers, we could put it over the top of that. Or even if we just need to, we don't want to do something, or we have a bunch of cars parked down here. But this will be a really cool idea. It's a version of this, only metal and has wheels. So that's what I do in the morning. Sometimes just come out here and I write my ideas down because I got lots of stuff going on, and sometimes I forget. So I just keep this little notebook with projects and things. If I get to the computer, I'll put them on SketchUp if they need to be. Just kind of decide as I go along, as you've seen many times. So I'm just out here enjoying the coffee, working on the next thing. I'll probably get started on tearing down the motor today. My son got it all power washed on this thing, so hopefully that will be coming together soon. I'll get the motor tore apart so I can fix it before I paint it. That way I don't waste all the time painting it and then the motor doesn't work. So get that going again, and just finish drawing this up, enjoy my coffee, and then we'll get started for the day. Subscribe, like, do all those comments like that. Leave us whatever feedback you can, and we'll take it and run with it. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.